Alright, so I'm gonna show y'all how to sound like Jace on bandlab with the preset and ad-libs. Here's what it sounds like. You know I'm back on my mode, you know I'm back on my grind, yeah. They tell me I'm gonna blow and I know I ain't waste no time. All of these drugs in my brain, it's really been fucking me up, but I can't stop. And if you really wanna get that good sound, you wanna use the highest auto-tune right there. And then here's the preset for this one. I'm gonna go a little bit fast, but y'all can screenshot it. Alright, that's the vocals. Now here's the ad lib right here. I'll show you all what both of them sound like. Here's the and then here's the vocals right here. You know I'm back in my mode, you know I'm back on my grind, yeah. They tell me I'm gonna blow and I know I ain't waste no time. I'm gonna show y'all what it sounded like without the auto-tune and the preset on. You know I'm back in my mode, you know I'm back on my grind, yeah. See how it sounds like shit right there? Then you add the auto-tune and the preset and it all sounds good. You know I'm back in my mode, you know I'm back on my grind, yeah. They tell me I'm gonna blow and I know I ain't waste no time. All of these drugs in my brain, it's really been fucking me up, but I can't stop. I'm gonna put the preset in the description if y'all don't want to just go through it like that. And that's all. I'm finna drop another preset tutorial for Che, but yeah, that's all.